Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all having a fantastic day. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Pro Evolution Soccer 2011 not opening on PC, either Windows 7 or 10. Again, no one has made a tutorial video about it, so I decided to. So let's get started. First of all, download the file needed to fix the problem. Link is in the description below. After that, extract the files. Go to your game file by opening the file location. Drag the fix file and paste it there. If it shows you this options, click on Replace. Refresh your PC and open the game, and you are done. 100% working. Now, if you wonder why this gives you that issue, is because if you are using a low-end PC and you installed it, automatically it will be installed with an old version application, which is version 1.0. So if you open it once, shut your PC down and turn it back on just to play it, you notice why it doesn't open. It's because the app version is outdated based on my understanding, so you will need a higher version like version 1.03, which is recommended, and it's back to normal. I hope this helps you well. If it does, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of videos like this. See you all in the next video. Have a nice day and God bless you all. Peace.
A warm welcome to all of you. It's John Champion.